sort of trouble. Yesterday she was purple. You'll learn to tune it out.
I saw a monkey fighting a bunch of snowmen earlier.
Time for a checkup. Carnage and Venom have ended up at the clinic. They're feeling maybe the symbiotes are being a bit more control-y than usual, and it never hurts to get those things checked out. I mean, we've all been there, right? Ah, here comes the doctor now. What? That's clearly Dr. Kurt Connors, aka the Lizard, sporting a fake mustache and... Oh, it wasn't a real clinic at all. Just some kind of ruse to capture Tweedledum and Dumber. Dr. Connors is probably wondering if there are elements in the symbiote's makeup that he can isolate to help with his unique lizardy problem. I mean, that's just a guess, but, you know, I'm probably right. Let's find out.
Security notice. Staff are ordered by Dr. Connors to maintain vigilance at all times. Symbiotes are dangerous, like super dangerous. Don't say we didn't warn you. Have a great day.
Hey, quit playing around with that stupid bear. It's time to break out of this place.
Time to create some art! Let's get out of here and paint the town red!
Oh, what have you been eating?
Do you want me to get you out of that cell or not?
Enough of the jokes. Now get me out.
I can't stand stupid fire!
Stay back. If we can get around it, we can take that sucker out from behind. Venom is ready. We are so very ready. Why would we do this? It is beneath a creature like us. This is insect work.
Looks like you need a little carnage!
Jackpot! Now, all we need to do is get past that security scanner, and we're out.
Easier than taking candy from a baby, and I know, because I've done it!
How do I get myself in these crazy situations?
Does my butt look big in this?
Quit playing around. We're not going to a fancy dress party, you know. We are so good at this stealth thing. We should join S.H.I.E.L.D. or something. I'd make a great agent.
What?
I mean, we should totally team up and take down Spider-Man in these disguises.
Comical disguise detected. Initiating lockdown. Calling all available security guards. That'll teach you to try and trick me. Have a great day.
That's fine. I was looking for a good fight anyway.
Bring it on.
So, my specimens think they can escape, do they?
and see about that.
Why don't you pick on someone your own size, Connors?
Oh, don't worry. I fully intend to. Just let us out of here already.
I'll let you leave when I get my arm back.
Take him down, big guy!
Boy, I could use a superhero right now.
Access granted. Have a nice day, Dr. Connors.
Fly, my pretty! Fly!
With hindsight, maybe the stairs would have been a better option. The main thing is they got out. I'd suggest they head for a real hospital, but I think they might have had their fill of doctors. They seem happier with the whole symbiote thing, too. I mean, I've never seen them look happier. Aw, look at them frolic. I never had Venom down as a frolicker. Bad news for Dr. Connors, though. Rather than kidnapping spider folks, maybe he should try seeing a vet about his lizard thing. Just a thought. Stay out of trouble, kids.